In today's video, I am going to teach you how to permanently set Google Chrome as default browser on Windows PC. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This will open the main Chrome menu, where you can access browser settings and other important options. In that menu, find the option that says Set Chrome as your default browser and click it. After you select it, Windows will open the default apps area in your system settings. This is where your computer controls which app is used for browsing the web by default. From there, you may need to confirm that Google Chrome should be used as your primary browser. On some versions of Windows, Chrome can be selected directly as the default browser with one click. On other versions, you may see browser-related file types or link types that can be assigned individually. If that happens, choose Google Chrome anywhere Windows asks which browser you want to use for web links and common web file types. This step is important because it helps make the change permanent across normal browsing tasks. Once Chrome has been set as the default, links you open from emails, documents, apps, or your desktop should launch in Chrome instead of another browser. That is all you need to do. Once this setting is in place, Google Chrome should remain your default browser on your Windows PC. That covers everything you need to know.